Alright, it is day 11 and I need to go weigh myself, so here we go. Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride. Alright, almost 14 pounds down, so making some progress, and still got, let's see, 46 more pounds to go, but on day 11, still rising and grinding. Alright, so one of the questions that I've been asked is, so you're down 14 pounds, what are you doing for diet? And so I thought I would give you kind of a little quick insight into what I'm doing for a diet. Now, I'm technically on day 11 for my 75 hard, but day 18 for my diet. So I'm down 14 pounds, which I was not expecting to lose that much weight already. I've just been trying to limit myself to 1,500 calories a day. So it's just sort of worked out that way. I have a feeling it's probably going to plateau here pretty soon, and I won't be losing nearly as much weight so quickly. But here's a look at some of the things that I'm doing. Alright, so here is my breakfast that I eat every day. This is just an English muffin with some turkey sausage and an egg white with some cheese. And this is the Jimmy Dean Delights, I think is what it's called. Just warm it up in the microwave, toast it. And then this is scorpion sauce. Thank you, Maria, for getting me hooked on this, but it's great. Just put a little bit of that on there. And it is a spicy habanero sauce. Got my 44-ounce glass of water. And, sorry, this is 32 ounce. 32-ounce glass of water. And that's it. That's breakfast. It's about 250 to 270 calories. I do the croissant one as well. And it fills me up. So that's what I do for breakfast. Alright, so here is a look into my freezer actually. So I am doing the Lean Cuisine and Healthy Choice Hot Pockets. Most all of these, if you can see, are around 250 to 300 calories. So those are the meals that I usually eat for lunch and dinner. Also with portion control, I just scan the little barcode and it goes right into my fitness app so I can track every calorie. At the end of the 30 days, I'm probably going to start cooking, but I really needed to be able to do the portion control and monitor the number of calories that I have coming in and coming out. Alright, so for snacks, what I have found is popcorn. Popcorn is a very low calorie, filling snack. So this is 100 calories. This is a kettle corn, helps with my sweet tooth. I usually will have this at night, and it's delicious. Okay, so the other thing that I have discovered is these popcorn chips. Also, these are low calorie. About 17 of those is about 130 calories, and I will eat those with some salsa, which also is super low calorie, usually around 50. It is a great snack or even an add-on to dinner. And I really like the popcorn chips because they have a bunch of different flavors and they're super low calorie. They taste great. Okay, and the last thing that I will show you is these little 70 calorie Fiber One bars. Again, I have a sweet tooth. These help with that. They're actually pretty filling. They fulfill that sweet tooth. They're only 70 calories and they work great. Okay, the last thing that I will show you is right here in the fridge that I eat is an apple. So again, an apple has about 70 to 90 calories depending on the size of the apple, but also great for filling you up. It's healthy and I really enjoy apples. So that's pretty much most of what I eat, and if I come across something else that I think might be helpful, but those are the things that I have found have been working for me. So just wanted to share that with you. All right, just got done with the outside workout, and it's a balmy 29 degrees tonight, so glad that's over with, and day 11 is in the book, so we'll see you tomorrow.